is lacking a whole lot of important information, which is standard and basic for the web analytic field. Tracking links and button clicks. Again, due to the fact that CardioLog utilizes a JavaScript tracking agent, it's possible to capture clicks. This is done simply by adding an onClick attribute to your link HTML code. And it's also possible with CardioLog to track reference from external sources. I've just spoken about campaign tracking. So for instance, if you have a promotion email with a link into the portal, you simply need to add this URL parameter in order to be able to report on the number of visits originating from your email. So again, capturing clicks and enabling tracking of referrers is something which is easily done with CardioLog. Goal funnels. Goal funnels is available with CardioLog 2010, and you can set the goal funnel in the administrative panel, and then report on that funnel with the number of conversions and the percentage of conversion between the different steps, the in and outs, and any other standard goal funnel features. This is good in order to find out how visitors and users are successful in achieving different tasks that you expect them to perform in the portal. And also, this can be used, the goal funnel can be used also to report for workflows in your portal, simply by putting the different stages of the workflow in the goal funnel. There's no limit on the number of goals and goal funnels. Unlike other solutions such as Google Analytics, you can have as many goals and funnels that you'd like, and you can also view history. You can set a goal and see history reports for that goal, unlike other reporting solutions. Another three groups of features which are unique for CardioLog are the visitor segmentation group, the SDK, and surveys. With visitor segmentation is quite a basic feature nowadays for web analytics solutions, obviously not existing in SharePoint. With CardioLog, you can segment users according to their Active Directory attributes, according to their SharePoint user profile fields, and you can also consume visitor data from external sources in your organization for further segmentation. With the SDK, you can create your custom reports, including querying the raw data and combining some information from outside resources. You can also customize the tracking agent. And as I've spoken about, custom events is where you can customize the tracking agent. It's JavaScript, and you can set your own usage events and play around with these. Last but not least are the satisfaction surveys, which are essential part of any analytics solution. Surveys, I'll talk about surveys in a moment. So here are some examples of the features I've just spoken about. Visitor segmentation. Here's report preferences, a chart preferences window where you can see that you can filter out the chart according to the role and department of the users or visitors. And again, role and department in this case come from SharePoint user profiles. Another example for visitor segmentation is this dashboard, which shows visits by department. Here's a visits by department chart. Here are some KPIs and meters. And here is a unique users table showing not only the usage data, but also some attributes for these specific users. In this case, the department. Custom reports. Here's an example for a custom report. The customer who created this custom report took some information directly from SharePoint, which did not exist in CardioLog. For instance, the max quota in megabytes for a site collection. This report is named Site Collection Summary and shows the different site collections and their different admins and owners and their subsites, and some more administrative data such as the size, when was the subsite last modified, when was it last accessed. Most of the information resides in CardioLog. One of the columns did not. In any case, they created the report from scratch using the custom reports or our SDK. Satisfaction surveys. As I've said before, these are essential to understand the important question of the why. With web analytics data, there's no way we can answer the very simple question of why did visitors do what they do in the portal. We know what they do, but the only way to know why they did it is to ask them. And with CardioLog 2010, we offer a very easy to implement survey module. Again, thanks to our presence within the page with the CardioLog JavaScript tracking agent, and by flagging the tracking agent, you can have different questions pop up for your visitors, and then report on the answers for this for these questions. The last section of this presentation, I will talk about the different analytic reports which are offered by CardioLog 2010 and are missing from SharePoint 2010. There's a whole lot, and I'll skip some of them and talk about others. The first category of reports is the portal page views, or the content reports. We give information about the average time, the average page views duration, the activity or the page views according to weekdays or in the peak hours for your portal. We give a views log, a real audit log for user behavior within the portal. The a top web parts report, an inactive sites report, reports pertaining blog activity and discussion board activity. The other section, or the other group of reports, is the portal visitors reports. Again, most of these reports are available due to the availability of the visit information. These are new versus returning visitors, new and returning visitors, average number of page views per user, and visits per user, loyalty and